What if you could create something one time and get paid for it again and again? No shipping, no physical inventory, just pure digital profit. Today, I'm showing you 5 digital products you can start as a beginner and build passive income forever. Number 1, AI-designed planners and templates. On platforms like Etsy and Gumroad, sellers are making thousands per month with simple budgeting planners, resume templates, fitness trackers, and more. You can design them using free tools like Canva and ChatGPT. No graphic skills needed. The best part? Once you upload, the platform delivers the product automatically. So your job is done. Number 2, Notion dashboards. Notion is exploding in popularity because it helps people stay organized. You can create finance trackers, business systems, habit planners, and sell them for $10 to $50 each. Even simple ones can go viral with the right audience. Number 3, stock footage and B-roll packs. Content creators need unique clips every day for YouTube, ads, and social media. Use AI animation tools or your phone camera to create aesthetic footage. Upload them to platforms like Pond5 or Envato and earn royalties on every download. Number 4, digital ebooks and guides. Pick a niche like fitness, finance, or relationships. Use ChatGPT to help with writing and Canva for design. Short guides can sell for $5 to $15, and if you find the right audience, that alone can turn into a full-time passive income stream. Number 5, website themes and landing page templates. With AI website builders and easy drag-and-drop tools, you don't need coding skills anymore. Business owners are willing to pay $30 to $150 for high-quality theme packs. Create once, sell unlimited copies. Before you start, pick just one of these ideas and stick with it for 30 days. The secret to passive income is consistency, not perfection. Which digital product will you try first? Tell me in the comments. I reply to everyone. And if you want a full step-by-step video on any of these, let me know, and I'll make it happen.